gusto kong magkaroon ng impact, if I were President Marcos, i-recast ko yung budget eh.
Okay.
I will slice off the infrastructure and give money for health and education and for food and as well as for social services. Kasi wala ka ng time eh. The infra, wala na. Sa akin ngayon ang tao, ang hinihingi eh, serbisyo publiko eh. Kalusugan, edukasyon at pagkain. Oo. Tsaka ang mahal-mahal ng bilihin eh. Ngayon, kailan ka pa makakagawa ng flood control project? Wala na yan eh.
Yung gestation period kasi medyo
May tanong ako. You mentioned kayong dalawa, you mentioned a slew of cases that, a slew of alleged irregularities in the DOH. Do you think the government should pursue corruption charges against Secretary Ted Herbosa?
Oo naman.
At saka yung mga kasama niya, if ever.
Oo,
If
mga
they are,
kasama
kung
niya.
kasama sila doon sa mga allegation.
Alam mo, one thing na kaya ang corruption nagpa-prosper kasi wala tayong accountability. In other countries like Singapore, wala yan. Korea or Japan, hahabulin ka dyan.
Yeah.
Dito, wala na. So even wala na si Secretary Ted, sorry but if you're...
Sorry, babanata kita.
Oo, kahit nagre-recover ka dyan, iisipin mo after 4 months, haharapin mo yun.
Pero Doc,